Okay, today we're changing the clock spring on a 2011 Scion XB. It keeps blowing the horn fuse. Don't want to put a bigger fuse in it because you're just transferring the problem down somewhere else. Just kind of bust it up, burn something up. And a good symptom for a bad clock spring is either your cruise control light is flickering. You'll have some funky stuff happening with your volume on your steering wheel. But this guy's problem was he had feedback whenever he would plug his cigarette lighter in. He'd have feedback through his stereo. So it's the clock spring. It controls all this. It goes bad. It causes short. Doesn't allow the horn to work. Just pops the fuse. Okay, first off, this is attached to that steering wheel shaft still. It's the train going by. Down in here, there's some Torx. I could not find the Torx. However, I was able to find this number 4 and make it work. I know you're not supposed to do that, but he didn't care, so we got it done. Okay, you undo this one on this side, the left side. Undo this one on the right side. Okay, this is gonna let the the airbag come out. There's the airbag. Okay, the clock spring is on here, oriented like that. Hold on. Yeah. Like this. Sorry about that. Had it backwards. Okay. It's up here. These connections are plugged in. You unplug one, you unplug two, you unplug your horn ground, and then these connectors on the back of this, your airbag, they just pop up. You get a little screwdriver, a little flathead underneath there. Be careful. Pop them up and then get underneath that, and you pop them up and out. You remove your airbag, throw it out of the way. Your steering wheel's on here. You pull these off out of the way. I thought you needed a steering wheel puller. They're not. You can just pull it off with your hand. It ain't on there very tight at all. Okay. This is on here. You have your plastic all around still. The plastic is right here. Okay. And these connectors are what you're fighting on the inside. This is how it goes. It sits in there like that. What I did was I squeezed this side, the driver's side, squeezed the inside panel real hard like that. Popped it loose. Got it started on this side. Did the same thing to this side. Pop that up out of the way. The top piece comes off. You have to have your steering wheel tilted down so you got enough room to get the top piece off, that piece off. They move out of the way. Your clock spring is held on by these two tabs. You depress them. One is right there. The other one is right there. Pull that off. You got some connectors you have to do right here. There's two there. Actually, there's 3 there. There's 1 going that way, 2 going that way. It's kind of hard to get to this one on the back side, the smaller one. But once you get it all the way out and everything, you got it lined up. Make sure your wheels are straight. Once you get out of something, pretty sure you can get back in. All right. Have a great day.